Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fakar Imam bin Mustafa. My matric number is S55014, Bachelor of Study, Maritime Management under University Malaysia, Terengganu. I, under of Supervisor Dr. Luke Kambin, has been managed to complete my final year's project. My title, The Impact of Silica at Pantai Bariketes, TU Terengganu. Introduction. What is silica? Silica is the name given to a group of mineral composed of silicon and oxygen, the two most abundant elements in the world earth crust. Silica is found commonly in the crystalline state and rarely in a amorphous state. It is composed of one atom of silicon and two atoms of oxygen, resulting in the chemical. The first industry used the crystalline silica, where probability related to metallurgical and glass-making activities in 3 to 5,000 years. It was continued to support human progress throughout history, being a key raw material in industry development of the world, especially in the glass, foundry, and ceramic industry. Silica contribute to today's information technology revolution being used in the plastic of computer mouse and providing to raw material for silicon chips. My problem statement. The silica can cause various diseases of human and damage to environment. While silica benefits to society and numerous, it can also cause illness. When silica becomes respirable, it becomes too dangerous. This occurs primarily on both sides, involving cutting, sawing, rolling, or crushing silica. For the objectives in this research, the researchers has some aim to done in this research. There are few objectives that research collect. The objectives are to identify the impact to see and identify for the people. Literal review. The key of literal review is to investigate how many scholar research have been done prior to this one. The question to be asked what the impact to see and what the impact for the people. The whole purpose of literal review is to identify the factors that influence. With proper collection of good scholarly research, we hope to formulate into or article framework that can help use in this study. For methodology, this chapter provides the research methodology that will be used to complete the project objective. A research methodology is a specific produce or technique that will be constructed to define, select, process, and evaluate knowledge about the study. The importance of the methodology is to discuss the detail of each process in the research framework. It is important to conduct a research methodology to find appropriate approach in the study. The study conduct will reflect development and result. At the end of this chapter, a detailed description will be given on each process of the study framework by providing all the data and will end with a conclusion. Research instrument and data collection. Data were collected using in the non-probability simple. Individuals are selected based on non-random criteria, and not every individual has a chance of being included. This type of sample is easier to access, but it has a highest risk of sampling. That means the inference can make about the population are weaker than weak probability sample, and conclusion may be more limited. Data analysis. Data analysis is necessary for project development in order to extract meaningful information from the data. There are 6 stages in data analysis, namely data requirement, collection data, cleaning, the data analysis, data interpretation, and data visualization. The data will be evaluated in the data analysis process to confirm that it is appropriate for the project and compatible of achievement the study goal. Data from the interview will be analyzed to ensure that the data can produce the desired output.